This kitchen slicer is designed to make your meal prep fast, clean, and effortless. With multiple cutting options, you can slice, dice, and shred vegetables in just seconds. No more struggling with knives or wasting time chopping. It's perfect for salads, stir-fries, meal prep, and everyday cooking. The sharp blades cut smoothly, and the easy grip design keeps everything steady while you work.
This oil spray bottle is perfect for anyone who loves healthy cooking. Just fill it with your favorite oil and spray a light, even mist on pans, salads, grills, or air fryer baskets. It helps you control portions, reduce excess oil, and cook with less mess. The transparent design lets you see exactly how much oil you have left, and the smooth pump action gives a satisfying, even spray every time. Simple, clean, and perfect for everyday cooking or air fryer meals.
Clean surfaces and reach corners that regular tools miss. It's perfect for kitchen sinks, faucets, grout lines, and tough stains. The ergonomic grip makes cleaning comfortable, and the durable bristles deliver powerful scrubbing without scratching.
This electric spin scrubber takes the hard work out of cleaning. With fast rotating power and interchangeable heads, it scrubs tiles, sinks, tubs, and floors effortlessly. No more bending, kneeling, or scrubbing by hand. Just turn it on and let the brush do the work for you. It's especially popular among busy moms and anyone who wants a cleaner home with less effort. Quick, powerful, and easy to use, this scrubber makes deep cleaning feel simple.
Everything neat and easy to reach. It's perfect for homes, apartments, and small kitchens where space matters. The sturdy frame holds your essentials, while the clean design keeps your countertop looking organized. Add a few tidy B-roll shots, and you'll see how much difference a good organizer can make in your daily routine.